So, everybody keep your video on. Everybody should keep the video on. I want to see everybody smiling, being angry with me, or whatever the case. And you are right next to the iPad. So if you dance too much, the iPad might fall on your head or might fall on Anita's head.
Or a little bit.
Okay. Now, let's get started. Are you going? So, starting today, our plan has changed. We will not do tables for next 2 weeks or 3 weeks maybe.
Oh yeah, because of the start.
No, don't get emotional about discussion. I'm just letting you know. Sometimes you have to just hear me out. Don't treat every word of mine as an opportunity to talk. So we are focusing on STAAR Test. So we will start with all the concepts for 3rd grade. Then we'll go to 4th grade. Then we'll go to 5th grade. In next 2 weeks, we'll cover it for all the 3 grades. And after that, based on what I see, how you guys are reacting to things, I will, and I'm not going to cover each and every topic. I'll randomly pick some questions from the sample test I have and see how you guys are doing it. And if I see anybody struggling, that will give me a pointer that okay, something has to be re-emphasized.
I don't know what prime numbers are.
So,
I forgot.
I'm not here to entertain anything that you forgot or that you're not paying attention to. I'm here to make people learn. So any unnecessary discussions, keep it in your back pocket, not even in the front pocket. All unnecessary discussions should be in the back pocket only.
What if you don't have a back
Throw it outside.
pocket?
Okay, so we have, okay guys, we have very limited time. What I want to do is, in next 3 classes, including today, I want to quickly check all the concepts where some of you might be struggling. Okay? So I'm picking up a problem. A teacher bought 18 red markers and 6 boxes of blue markers. Okay? You are not going to repeat every word of mine. That is very annoying. A teacher bought 18 red markers and 6 boxes of blue markers. Each box had 10 blue markers. What is the total number of markers in the teacher bought? Let me read it one more time. A teacher bought 18 red markers, 18 red markers, and 6 boxes of blue markers. Each box had 10 blue markers. Each box had 10 blue markers. What is the total number of markers the teacher bought? Okay, I'll go to Yugan. Yep, Yugan. Lux will not get chance to talk about this question. This is for 3rd graders. I'm just checking it, okay? Yeah. Mandeep, what did you get?
That's 78.
Okay. Samanvita, Sanviji. Yeah, I got your answer, but I heard you. I'm just trying to save time, okay? Okay, how about Nehit?
Is there 18 red boxes or markers?
18 red markers. See, 18 red markers and 6 boxes of blue markers.
I got 78 then.
Yep. Is everybody comfortable with this question? Was everybody comfortable with this question? That's the question. Don't get to any discussion with that. Let's look at question as a question. Today I'm doing 3rd graders. Tomorrow I'm going to do 4th graders.
It's not 78 actually.
Did you hear the question?
Yeah.
Don't, you are being so wasteful with time with us. Trust me. What did I say? A teacher bought 18 red markers and 6 boxes of blue markers. Each box had 10. Each box. See, this is where you're buying boxes. Each box had 10 blue markers. Here we are not talking about boxes at all. We are talking about 18 red markers. And 6 boxes of blue markers. Every box had 10. How many are talking here? 10 to 6, 60. Plus 18. 78. That's what she said in the beginning. So, see, math is not difficult if you pay attention. If you don't pay attention, it's going to be a very bad experience. Someone will tell you saying something, Vita?
I got 78.
Yep. Okay.
I'm one there. I'm back.
Okay.
10, 15.
Okay. Let me pick up other question.
Okay, then.
Here. Now I want everybody to pay attention, okay? I'm going to rush through it. I'm checking how comfortable you guys are. And this time I will check Yugan. I would want to hear the answer from Yugan, Sivakeswa, and Nihit. And Anika also, and Rudraj.
Yes, sir.
Try to cut down on talking. I'm telling everybody over and over again. These are 5 shapes that we have. Which figure appears to be a parallelogram? Let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Which figure appears to be a parallelogram? No, not lunch. No. I want to hear from Yugan. Yugan, which one seems to be a parallelogram? Same in my ears. Slowly. I don't want to be able to hear what you're saying. Okay. Yugan, Nihit, Sivakesava. Which one is looking like a parallelogram? Yes, Sivakesava.
Uh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I can't see the screen, but it's the one right beside that. Yeah. 2.
You're saying 2? How about Yugan?
No, I didn't say 2. I'm saying.
Be quick. We have a lot of things to cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me which one.
Number 5.
Number 5. How about Yugan? If you can't hear me, drop and join back again. That's the magic trick. What is that?
There's only one answer, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
So everybody here, the question was which of the diagram look like a parallelogram? What is a parallelogram? Tell me.
A shape that has all sides the same.
Tell me what is a parallelogram?
It's a shape with parallel lines. It's a shape that has 2 pairs of parallel lines.
Right. So parallelogram is a quadrilateral where the opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay? Yeah? What is this one?
That's the same.
No, that is not the same. It is a rhombus or diamond. What is the property of a rhombus? All 4 sides are same, but the angles are not 90 degree. These are not 90 degree.
I was gonna say that, but
No, keep it short. Keep it short. We have 30 questions here. I'm trying to see how many we can cover. So any unnecessary discussion is only going to lead to problems. Yes, you can go hands down. Can everybody see the screen? Okay. Okay. Now this time it will be Sanvi G. Virat, can you hear me okay now? Okay. Now, I'm showing you guys a picture. Can you guys see 5 cats here?
No. Oh, yeah.
4 white cats and 2 black cats.
I can't see anything. Yeah.
Calm down everybody. Now I'm reading the question. A group of 6 kittens is shown. Some kittens are grey, some kittens are white. Which expression represents the fraction of the group of kittens that are white? And here are the options. First option is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. Second one is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Third option is 1 by 6 plus 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 1 by 6. Fourth option is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4.
Can I see?
Let's see.
See the picture again. Okay. So, you guys can see the picture here. I'm reading the question. A group of 6 kittens is shown. Some kittens are grey and some are white. Which expression represents the fraction of the group of kittens that are white?
B.
Okay. Sami ji. Hold it, don't get emotional. You think it's A? Okay. How about
Wait, can I see the
Mandeep?
picture?
Okay. Okay. Yugen, what do you think?
I think it's A.
You think it's A? Yugen. Are you Yugen? You're Mandeep. Okay, Lex, what do you think? You think it's A? Okay. Okay. No singing with her. I get distracted very easily. Okay. Yes, Yugen, what do you think?
I think it's A.
And it's very simple. So, yes, Nihal, what do you think?
I think it's A.
Wonderful. So again, I'm not trying to teach anything. No. Don't, again, every second that you wasted those, so that many seconds for drawing the A. You can just say A. Even if you write the ugliest looking A, I'm fine with that, as long as the answer is right. Okay, so here, control your emotions, that's what I'm saying. Here the question is very simple. You had 6 kittens, 4 were white, 2 were grey. Every kitten is 1 out of 6. If you have to represent white, every kitten is 1 out of 6, 1 out of 6, 1 out of 6, 1 out of 6. That's what A says. So I agree with what you guys said. Now, Manas here on the board only. Now there's a word problem. I'm reading for you guys, and this time I want Manas, Anika, and Sivakeswa and Nihit to answer this, and Samanlita. Alberto works at a candy store. Alberto works at a candy store. He is paid for the hours he works at the store. He works a different number of hours each day. Which statement is most likely true? Okay, and now you'll be able to answer it based on how much attention you are paying. I'll just read the question one more time. Alberto works at a candy store. He is paid for the hours he works at the store. He works a different number of hours each week. He works a different number of hours each week. Which statement is most likely true? A. More hours Alberto works, the less he earns. Number A is more hours Alberto works, the less he earns. B is the fewer hours Alberto works, the less he earns. The fewer hours Alberto works, the less he earns. Option C is more hours Alberto works, the less labor he provides the store. Option D is fewer hours Alberto works, more labor he provides the store. Which one is right?
It can be. Can you say it again?
Okay. I'll say it again. Hold it. You did not pay attention. That's why I was checking everybody's concentration. Let's see what Samvita says. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Samvita. No, sorry. Samvi G.
B.
Okay. Yugan. Samvita. Nihit.
B.
Sanvi B. Sanvi B will only give B because her name has a B in it. Okay. That was a dad joke. Let's move on.
That was
Okay. Shh. Let's move on. I have. So again, today I am checking how comfortable you guys are with third grade preparation. Okay, for third graders. Tomorrow we'll check for fourth grade.
small.
Is that a debate? You guys take pride in wasting time. Unfortunate but true.
Wait, I'm gonna go to middle school.
You're still.
Manas, Rudraj,
Yeah.
I'm not here to entertain any unnecessary discussions.
Yes, sir.
If you started, just go quite right after that. Don't try to catch up on that. Manas, hold it. Okay, let me read the question. A jar is full of nickels and dimes. A jar is full of nickels and dimes. There are 368 nickels in the jar.
What? Oh, I'm sorry.
A jar is full of nickels and dimes. There are 368 nickels in the jar. There are 109 more dimes than the nickels in the jar. There are 109 more dimes than nickels in the jar. What is the total number of nickels in the dimes in the jar? Let me read it for you guys one last time. After that, I'm not going to answer it regardless whether you have caught up or not. A jar is full of nickels and dimes. There are 368 nickels in the jar. There are 109 more dimes than nickels in the jar. What is the total number of nickels and dimes in the jar? Okay, I'll come to you lunch after 2 minutes. I see what happens is one child gives the answer, everybody says I got the same. Yeah. Okay. What did you get?
Tommy? Oh, I'm sorry.
7?
Oh, I got mine.
Okay. No, so okay. So I'm reading the question one last time for you, Draj. You are jumping the gun and making a wrong answer. This is impossible. That number is impossible. You cannot get 7. A jar is full of nickels and dimes.
I think it's 7.
What do you get?
I got one. I got one.
That invisible one, how would I see? And then, see, look at this. You are still rushing for it. Let me read the question one last time. A jar is full of nickels and dimes. There are, Rudra, pay attention. Every word is important in the question. Word problems are meant for paying attention. Jar is full of nickels and dimes. There are 368 nickels in the jar. So there are 368 nickels already. So your number cannot be 171, which is less than 368. Okay? There are 368 nickels in the jar. There are 109 more dimes than nickels in the jar. What is the total number of nickels and dimes? Yes, Mandeep, what did you get? Be quick.
I double checked and I forgot one more step, so can I do it after I finish that step?
Yes, please. Lux, what did you get?
So there's, wait, how much? So there's 360 nickels in the jar. There's 100 more dimes than nickels.
Yes.
Okay, so then I got 820.
Say it one more time.
820.
820.
Yes.
Okay. How about everybody else? Yugan, Sanvi Ji, Sanvi B, Samanvita. Yes, Sanvi Ji.
Wait, is it 8 I mean, 109 or 100?
109 more dimes than the nickels.
So 109?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can I say my answer?
Yes, please.
845.
Yes, Mandeep. Be quick.
So my answer is this total amount of money is 3,749.
From where did money come? We are not talking about money right now. Oh, we are talking about nickels and dimes. Okay, I mean, I know nickels and dimes convert to money only, but there was no word money even uttered once by me. Sami B, what did you get?
845.
Okay. And what did you get? 845?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Yugen, what did you get?
Both are short. 845.
Okay. We got a 417. Let me read one more time. One last time. Yes, Nihil, what did you get?
I got 845.
Okay. So, I will read the question one last time. Yes, some Sriandi. Sorry, my bad. Okay, wonderful. So, the question was simple. Question was saying a jar is full of nickels and dimes. There are 368 nickels. See, it's very simple. 368 nickels.
Oh, 368.
Now don't repeat. And no reactions needed. Just focus on what I'm doing. There are 109 more dimes than nickels. So whatever nickels I had plus 109, this many dimes. The question is, what is the total number of nickels and dimes in the jar? Add this and this. That's it. 368, 109. Add them all together. You can do it. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 9, 25. 2 carry forward. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 2, 14. 1 carry forward. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. Done deal.
Yes, see.
Okay, you can show me the breakdowns after the class, not in the class. Hands down. Everybody okay? Everybody hands down. Now the next question.
I have a question. Why is there 368?
What did the question say? Now see, it's very important. If you guys are getting distracted, take a deep breath. Get your concentration back. Because word problems require maximum concentration. If you miss one word, your answer will go wrong. And again, I'm not picking on anybody. I'm just telling you guys the hard reality of life. Word problems are the easiest problem to solve, provided you read it carefully. You miss a word, you mishear a word, you misinterpret a word. Done. Now let me pick up next problem. Now, everybody hands down first. See the question before you raise your hand. I see some of the kids have raised hand already. Now,
You're my big hat
that ha not needed, huh? That ha is for what? Is this coming from Pluto, or am I looking like an alien right now?
Not really, no.
So, no, seriously, I'm saying that no, whatever you guys do means a lot. If you, I mean, by doing that hard, right, you're actually scaring me. Because to me it seems like you being in the 6th grade and you're seeing a 3rd grade question and saying, that's a big part of concern. No, don't take pride in that. If you're laughing at it, you are actually,
But everyone's laughing at it.
there's a matter of concern. If there's a test, you're going to have a hard time.
Oh no.
So stop laughing, everybody. And don't have to copy it. Use your brain than any manual labor here.
I don't have a brain.
Stop coming to this class then. If you think that you don't have brain, stop coming to the class.
How are you saying that you don't have a brain if you don't have a brain?
Eva, leave it, leave it, leave it. Okay. Now I'm reading the question. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. A group of figures is shown below. Which statement appears to be true about all the figures in the group? First one. All the figures have at least one rectangular face. All the figures have at least one rectangular face. Second one is all the figures have at least one triangular face. Third is all the figures are prisms. Fourth one is all the figures are polygons. You did not think about the question and you just raised your hand. I'll give you a high five and your answer will be wrong.
Me?
No, whoever raised the hand without thinking, yeah. Okay? Yeah. 3. Okay. What do you think, Eugen? I'm sorry?
I actually raised my hand.
Okay. What does without think?
It's 3.
3. How about Mandeep?
I think it's 1 and I'm a 4th grader.
I don't need that certificate right now. It's about what you know. I'm not even a 4th grader. Why am I even bothering to do this?
Oh, I don't know.
So let's not waste time on things which are not important. Someone will tell what do you think?
3.
Okay.
Oh, where did all these students
Nihit.
come from?
Is there any language that you understand? Then you don't come to this class. You want to talk to daddy, mommy? So stop doing all that thing that you do to disturb the class. Sanvi B. Okay, Siva Kesava. 3. Lunch. Okay. So everybody is saying 3. Let me try bothering you guys a little bit. 3 was what? All the figures are prism. First one was all the figures have at least one rectangular face. Does it not look like the case? Here I have a rectangular face, here I have a rectangular face, here I have a rectangular face.
It should be 8. I'm just saying.
No, just saying is not enough. You have to be convinced when you give the answer because just saying
I'm
might get
so
the wrong
convinced.
answer. No, you're not.
I did my calculations.
There is nothing to calculate. Okay. Let's see what Sanvi wants to add. Why do you think it's not A and only C? I'll come to you. Sanvi, give me an explanation for that. No, you said C. I'm saying why you think it's only C? Why not A? Which says all the figures have at least one rectangular face.
2, 4, and 3 have rectangular faces, but one
Doesn't have it.
triangles.
Yes, it doesn't have it. Yeah.
It does. On the
Even
bottom.
if we, hi Siddharth, what is the answer?
Number 3.
Number 3. Okay. So what I was talking about was that the question was saying which all faces have at least one rectangular face. So as Sanvi ji explained, this is a rectangular face. This has so many rectangular faces. This one, this one, this one. This has all rectangular faces, but here it is not a rectangular face. It is a quadrilateral, but not rectangular for sure. Do you agree? Okay. Now let me take you guys 2. So let's look at it this way. Let's say my neighbor start washing his car right now. Would I leave the math class and start washing my car too? What is so funny about it? Are you seriously coming here to learn something, or you are just enjoying wasting your parents' money?
I am coming to learn. It's just like.
Where is that intent? I'm not seeing it.
Well, everyone keeps on making jokes. I mean, it's funny.
So let's do 1 hour joke session every day and not learn anything. Is that what you are motivated to do? If somebody is doing it, don't aggravate that problem by adding fuel to the fire. You know what is adding fuel to the fire? There is already fire, you are adding fuel to it. Put kerosene or petroleum on the top of that and see how fun the fire becomes. Okay, now everybody hands down, be ready for the next question. I want everybody to do it very sincerely. Okay? We have 27 minutes. I want to do at least 10 problems in the next 27 minutes. Hear the question, okay? I want everybody to pay full attention. Glyna will put the same number of candles on each of the 4 cakes. Glyna will put same number of candles on each of the 4 cakes. She bought 4 boxes of candles. Each box has 8 candles. Glyna will use all the candles. Which of the equation can be used to find the number of candles Glyna should put on each cake? And here are the options. Three into 8 into 4 equal to this. 3 plus 8 divided by 4 equal to this box. 3 plus 8 into 4 equal to this box. Option D is 3 into 8 divided by 4 equal to this box. Hold it. Let me complete. Let me read the question one last time and then I will see what. Okay, hold it. Glyna will put the same number of candles on each of the 4 cakes. She bought 3 boxes of candles. Each box has 8 candles. Glyna will use all the candles. Which equation can be used to find the number of candles Glyna should put on each cake? Now ready to take the answer. That pencil doesn't mean anything to me. Tell me ABCD. Okay. Rudraj. All that coloring you are doing on the board, on the notebook, if you have not thought about it, trust me, you have a second chance to think about it. Guessing for a wrong answer doesn't mean anything. Okay, so what did you get?
I got
Quick. Which one?
D.
D. How about Siddhant?
I got D.
You got D. How about Mandeep?
I also got D.
Sanvi G.
D.
Nihit.
D as well.
Samanvita. After giving your answer, put your hands down so that I would know who all have not told it. Sivakeswa, put your hands down. Buddha. Okay, what did you get? Huh?
G.
Can you stop making fun of yourself? You're not making fun of me for sure. Tell me, what is the answer? A, B, C or D? Say it loud and big. C. Doesn't mean anything to me. Which one is the answer?
D.
D. My tongue is stuck here with my lower jaw. Can you see it? I cannot take my tongue out. But is my voice coming out clear or not? If I'm saying D, my 3 neighbors should hear it loud and clear. D. Okay, Lux, what did you get?
D.
D. Sanvi, D.
D.
D or B this time? D. D. Okay. All right. What did you get, Manas? Laughing after the class. What did you get?
Um,
Imli, lychee doesn't mean anything. Is mango in Hindi. Okay. All right. So answer is D. Now everybody, calm down. You gave me A, Rudraj. Why? Because you did not think about it. Now hear the question clearly again. And as I say, math is very easy if you make it easy. Keep quiet. Or else I will give you a timeout. You know what is timeout? I'll make you stand in that corner in front of everybody. I'm not joking. I'm serious. I cannot afford to let one child spoil the whole class. Read the question carefully. No whistling. Analyze and then do it. Now the question says, Glyna will put the same number of candles on each of the 4 cakes. So she has 4 cakes where she is trying to put the candles. She bought 3 boxes of candles. So she got 3 boxes. We don't know how much each box has. Next line says that each box has 8 candles. So she actually got 3 boxes and each box having 8 candles. This much she got. Whatever she got, she is putting, Glyna will use all the candles, meaning whatever she got, all of this, she is putting on the 4 cakes that she has. So all this that is coming from this, she will divide this by 4. Which one is talking about that? Adding out. This one out. This is also adding out. You have 3 into it, that many candles, you are putting on 4 cakes. Divide by 4, that's it. This is the answer. Why would anybody get an A? Stop chewing the pencil. What? See, you have so many reasons to get distracted. Trust me, if you don't want to learn, it's okay, but I'm fine. I'm okay having one child less in the class. It's fine. But every child who comes here is my responsibility to make sure that I'm making him or her learn. And if I'm not able to do so, I will say thank you. Done. Okay? I'm not going to take even $1 from anybody's parents if I'm not going to make the child learn. That's my promise. If I see you're not learning, I'll just go and put my hands together and say, sorry, I'm not able to make your child learn. You get that? So stop laughing for no good reason. Let's come to the next question. Is everybody clear?
yes.
Yes.
Next question is, Samantha drew an octagon with each side length measuring 3 centimeters. I'm not going to draw anything, I'm not going to tell you anything. Let's see how much attention you have paid in the past. Samantha drew an octagon with each side length measuring 3 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the octagon in centimeters? Sanvi ji.
24 centimeters.
Okay. Mandeep.
Same answer, 24 centimeters.
24 centimeters.
How much?
24 centimeters.
Okay. Nehit.
24 centimeters.
Okay. Laksh.
24 centimeters.
Yugan.
24 centimeters.
Samanvita.
24 centimeters.
Okay. Sanvi B.
24 centimeters.
Siddhant.
24 centimeters.
So now I am picking on Siddhant. So Siddhant, tell me beta, why you think 24 centimeters?
Because each side is 3 centimeters long.
And what is an octagon? I have never heard this term before.
And octo means 8. So it has 8 sides.
Yeah. Octagon is a shape which has 8 sides. I remember, today I am not teaching you guys, I am just teasing you guys. So, in one of the classes when I was talking about geometrical shapes, I remember I was telling that okay, one side, two side doesn't make a closed shape. Three sides is when you come across a triangle. Four sides you come across quadrilaterals, which has again so many shapes. When more than four sides, five sides becomes pentagon. Six sides hexagon. Seven sides heptagon. Heptagon.
What?
What? Oh my God! Heptagon. It is heptagon. Seven sides heptagon. Eight sides called octagon. Like Siddhant was saying.
I thought someone said was septagon.
Okay, remember that. Let's see what happens. 8 sides octagon, 9 sides nanogon, 10 sides decagon. After that, I don't know who's gone. Okay? Alright. Sanvi B, you were raising your hand.
Puerto Rico.
Sanvi B, you were raising your hand. Say something.
No, just hacking my computer.
Okay. Alright. Now, I'm showing you guys a picture. Look at this picture carefully. I hope everybody can see this picture. Don't read the question, don't look at the answers, see the picture first.
I already got the answer.
Saw the picture? Now I'm reading the question. A librarian needs to place a total of 36 new books on 4 shelves. The same number of books will be on each shelf. How many books should the librarian put on each shelf?
4.
If you stop laughing, you'll be able to concentrate on what you're here supposed to be here for.
I said it was
What is B?
4.
Wonderful. See, this is the prize you get for your laughter. Yes, Laksh.
I got nine.
What did you get?
9.
I got 9 books for each column.
Okay, each shelf. Yeah, Mandeep. Who is playing with the timer? Please don't do that. Yeah, Mandeep, what did you get?
I got 8 books.
So, guys, I know that AI is important for you all. All other chat windows are important. Playing with emojis are important. Watching games, playing games, watching videos is important. But when you are with me for doing math, make sure that you are committed to math and to the class.
Yes.
What was the question here? Everybody in the class knows table till at least 12.
Yeah.
And the question was, librarian need to place total 36 books on 4 shelves. 36 books on 4 shelves. The same number of books will be on each shelf. Meaning, these 36 books are to be distributed equally on 4 shelves. If somebody gets an 8, we'll get a Nobel Prize from it.
Huh?
36 by 4, how will somebody get an 8?
I'm sorry. I thought it was 32. I'm sorry. I know I did it wrong.
Because you are not paying attention. It's not about you being sorry. Being sorry will not give you anything, trust me. You do 20 problems in the examination hall and you are paying all your 2 hours that you have for the exam. You are enjoying the time, making a fun of the class, smiling at all your friends, and then you get 18 answers wrong, and then you will say sorry. Even 18 will not become 17 answers wrong. You get it? You get your result for what you do. So my only request, recommendation, suggestion is that please do justice with what you are supposed to. Yes, Siddhant, what did you get?
I got 9.
Nehit? 9. Mandeep, you have already given me an answer. Let's start a new discussion.
Oh.
My only request, okay, so it was an easy one. I want to finish this. I have 4 more questions here. I want to use the remaining. Yes, Ananya, what did you get?
The same answer now.
Okay. So Sanvi and Virat, Hands down, but wait for the next question. Okay, I'll come back to you guys. It's an easy one. See what case, go hands down. Everybody hands down. Ready? Be ready for the next question. Now this is an interesting one. See this picture first. So I will show it to you guys. Here you see ocean animals drawing, okay? So dolphin, shark, whale. Number of students. Dolphin 7, shark 10 and whale is around 4.
Dolphin is 7, right?
Yeah, 7, 10 and 4. There's a chemical called laughing gas which is made of nitrogen and oxygen. 2 atoms of nitrogen and 1 atom of oxygen.
Is it in the periodic
It,
table?
no,
Yes.
nitrogen is periodic table, oxygen periodic table. It's a compound made of nitrogen and oxygen. This is called laughing gas. And it is such an uncontrollable gas. If you smell it once, you cannot control it for next 2 hours. I believe you inhaled that by mistake. And I think you do it before every class, which is wrong. Now, let me read the question here. Each student in a class drew an ocean animal. The bar graph shows how many students drew each animal. So now you are seeing number of students who drew dolphin is 7, shark 10 and whale 4. Now the question says complete the table so that it represents the data in a bar graph. Select the correct answer for each of the bars. Each answer may be used more than once, not all answers will be used. Now, you have number of students here A to J, shark A to J, whale A to J. It says color all the boxes.
Huh?
Who did that? It's my watch.
Out of syllabus for me. Let's not worry about it. You guys see this one? I will come back to you guys. I'll show it to you guys one more time.
Okay, I got it.
Kind of.
You get everything kind of, your answer, result, test, everything will be kind of only. And that will not be very kind, to be very honest.
I'm sorry.
Your sorry has no value, you know that? If you say sorry every 30 seconds, okay, so now I'm showing it to you guys again.
7, bird.
How many, okay, let me put it this way. How many circles you will color for the first one, second one and third one?
4. I mean, for the first one.
Remember, this is a third grade question. And you don't have the option of going wrong there.
Okay.
Be careful. Yes, Siddhant.
Ow. You will color
21. Let's say, okay, 7, 10 and 4, 21. How many for dolphin I will color? 7. That will be from A to?
A to G.
A to G. Mandeep, how many you will color for shark?
I have to cut 7. Is it okay?
Yep. Okay. So for shark, how many circles you will color? 10, all 10. Yep. For whale, 4. So you color from A to D. A to D, up to D. See, what is that I'm coming to here? Yes, sir.
The shark will color to J.
Shark will color to J, yeah. So what I'm coming to, these problems are easy peasy ones. Really easy ones. What worries me at times is when I see you guys are rushing for an answer and then giving a wrong answer. I can tell that everybody in the class has learned much more than what we have talked about so far. But then, you can still go wrong if you are not being careful while doing it. I will give one last problem and see how many of you are being actually careful. This time I'll do it like a full-blown problem. I'll just start read it. I'll put it on the board and see how you guys are reacting to this problem and how you are solving it. But it's not important for me to see how many of you are going wrong. It's important for me to know how many of you are paying attention, then making the right attempt. Which expression shows an expanded form of 92,060? And you have these four options. Anybody and everybody has only one chance to give the answer. Don't say no, I want to correct it. Don't make mistakes and use that as a chance to do it one more time. And whenever you see a question on the board, don't start reading it and make the whole world know that what you are reading. Read it, process it, store in your mind. Yeah.
C.
Okay. D. How about you? Okay. So you got your answer. Now don't start studying. How come you got D? How come you focus on yours? If somebody you gave an answer, somebody else gave some other answer, that means you have to verify your answer. Same thing holds true for you also. You said D. Everybody else has said C. That means it's an opportunity for you to review your answer. Okay. Reviewing is a practice. I want everybody in the class, including myself, to review what we do. Okay? We do go wrong, and it's okay to go wrong. Not correcting it is a bigger mistake. Yes, you get. What did you get?
I got C.
Okay. So Rudraksh, when you are hearing people giving C or D or A as an answer, that means you have to review your work. Okay? Review it. It's okay. There is no harm. Yes, Siddhant.
I also got C.
Okay. Anika. C. Okay. Sanvi B. Sarolita. Swami G. Sivakeswa. Nehit. Let me put it this way. Is anybody in the class thinking that C is not the right answer? Yes, Siddhant. Okay. Okay. Now,
I just counted wrong.
what is that?
I counted the numbers wrong, so I got D.
Doesn't matter. 92,000. Even if it's you read this as 7. You need to do 20 minutes of pranayam, 10 minutes of yoga, and 10 minutes of Kapalbhati every day. If you don't know what exactly is that, check with Daddy and Mommy. You need to learn how to concentrate. Seriously, no, I'm not joking. It's a serious thing. We all have gone through that phase. I was also your age. I was also equally playful. But then, when it comes to doing something serious, you have to get your energy back to what you're doing. So, and again, it's perfectly fine to be distracted, but then you have to learn how to get it back. I also get distracted. And whatever I'm telling you guys, that take a deep breath. No, I'm not supposed to do anything else. I'll get my confidence back. Breathing is a very important exercise that helps you get all your focus back on what you're supposed to do. Try doing that, okay? I'm not trying to pick on anybody. I'm not here to make anybody feel bad. I'm here to do only one thing, that is make you guys learn something from me. And the day I realize that I'm not able to do so, I'll just put my hands together and say, okay, please take your kid away, because I'm just wasting your time. And it's time and your money. I'm not here for taking even single penny from anybody if I'm not going to teach the child. I'm not running a business here, okay? I love the subject, that's what I'm teaching you guys, okay? Alright? So, now, one thing I wanted to talk about in next 2 minutes. Do you guys know what is the difference between even, odd and prime numbers?
No.
Yeah.
I want even.
What is a prime number?
A prime number is a number that can only be divided by 1. It doesn't have many.
Okay, Sanvi B.
It is a number that it cannot be divided by any number except for itself and 1.
1 itself, okay?
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay. So here's the thing. Siddhant, you agree or do you not agree?
I was going to say the same thing.
Okay. So see, everybody hands down. We have only 2 minutes, and in the 2 minutes, I'm going to just reiterate this for everybody. If I look at number from 1 to 10, I'm just picking up 1 to 10. Don't acknowledge every word of mine. What are the even numbers? All the numbers that can be divided by 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Every number that can be divided by 2 is even number. The ones that cannot be, Sanvi B, hold it down. We have just 1 minute to go.
Wait, what are the 2 ones? Prime and composite. Oh.
Prime, even and odd numbers. Okay? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All these numbers can be divided by 2. So they are called even numbers. These are even numbers. Now, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers because they cannot be divided by 2. Among the odd numbers or even numbers, there are certain numbers that can be divided by only. Now look at 1 and 2. Leave 1. 1 is anyways, it can only divide by 1. There is no other number. 2 also can be divided by 1 and by itself, by 2. 3 can be divided by 1 and by 3 itself. 4 can be divided by 2, 4 and 1. So here you see it can be divided by 1, 2 and 4. But if you look at 5, you can only divide by 1 and 5. If you look at 6, you can divide by 1, 2, 3 and 6. So here it can be divided by 1 and 2, 1 and 3. So when you look at these numbers like this, even 7 can be divided by only 1 and 7. So the numbers that can be divided by only 1 in itself are the ones called prime numbers.
Oh, so basically.
You cannot factorize them.
So basically, odd numbers are prime.
No, don't even go there. Even 2. 2 is also a prime number because it can be divided by only 1 and itself. Yeah.
My dad told me that if your thing starts with one with a composite number, then it's perfect.
So we have not talked about composite numbers. We'll talk about that. That's another interesting thing. Okay. We'll talk about composite numbers also. Sanvi B, you were saying something with that. Conclude your chain of thought.
Not a prime or composite.
Which one?
1 is not a prime or composite number.
Yeah. So one is anyway excluded. You are starting with this. This is the first number. We'll keep it out of the equation. Okay. So we'll talk about what is a composite number and what is a prime. What is a composite number and what is the use. Okay. Let's not worry about the use part of it right now. We'll just quickly check what is a composite number. We'll talk about that. It's a very interesting concept that I would want you guys to be aware of. Okay. All right. But even odd numbers and prime numbers, that should be very clear to us because you will certainly get few questions, at least for the third grade students. I am pretty sure that you will get at least 2 questions talking about even odd numbers. And all the kids who are in 4th grade and above, be ready for the fun tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to cover the 4th grade questions. And even the kids who are in 3rd grade, they have already learned those things. But my focus would be on the kids who are in the 4th grade. Nothing funny about my statement. He is more sensible than you. Do you know that? He is at least doing his job right. He knows what to do at least. You are not. Okay. You are getting little too difficult for me to deal with. Talk to mommy and daddy today, okay? Manas, I'm talking to you. Talk to mommy and daddy today. Ask them a very serious question. Tell me why I'm going to this class. Check with him. Okay, Manas, your class is over. Done. Everybody's class is over any which way. The kids from the next